The sound er.
How is the sound er pronounced?
It is pronounced air.
Can you say air?
Very good. The sound air has many different spellings. These include A-I-R, A-R-E, A-R, E-A-R, and E-R. Now let's take a look at some examples of these different spellings.
Ch,
Air,
chair,
st,
air,
stare,
b,
air,
bear,
air,
r,
error,
chair,
re.
cherry. The sound air is voiced, meaning your vocal cords vibrate when producing the sound. Your tongue is in the upper middle part of your mouth when pronouncing the sound air, and your lips form a circle. Arrow 1 points to the vocal cords, and arrow 2 points to the tongue.
This sentence contains many examples of the common English sound air. Damien, sitting on the cherry-colored chair, stared at the bear on his television.
Quick recap time.
The sound air has many different spellings and appears in many words.
It is pronounced air and is a very common sound in the English language.
Words like chair, stare, bear, error, and cherry all use the sound air.